have 3 males and 1 female, and it's really hard because none of the males are trying to mate with the female, and only one of them, well, 3 of them are trying to, but the female just moved buds because all 3 of them are trying, and she's chosen one. I'll show you which one she's chosen. She's chosen that dude right there, that guy, and I can't. There's 3 males, but the green one is a female, and the rest are the males, and I can't get them to mate, so it's really hard and stuff, and I can't really. I don't know if they're ever going to mate or not, and I supplied 2 things I got from the yard sale at my church. There's 1 nest box, or the glass box, nest box, the glass box, and here's the other one, and I can't really get them to breed and stuff, and I don't know if it's just that she doesn't want to breed or anything, or if it just takes a long time. So I just need to know some information so they'll be able to mate, and I've supplied a lot of healthy stuff for them, and I've done a lot of things, and I've gave them a lot of healthy snacks, and I've kept them really healthy, and they just won't mate, and it's been taking a very long time. So please tell me if I'm missing anything, because that can take about 8 parakeets, and so just let me know if you can make it to the point. If you could help me breed my parakeets, because I'm trying to breed them and nothing's happening. That's why I tried getting another couple so they would breed, but nothing's happening.